Hi guys, I'm here to read a resignation letter from one of the Africa Mayibuye members. And in this actually letter, this guy, I'm assuming it's a guy because of the name, he states quite a few points that are interesting, because he says that Mayibuye does not have clear policies on disciplinary procedures. He makes an example, lokuthi, apparently one of the Mayibuye members went to protest with Operation Tutula during the G20, and nothing happened. They were not disciplined. And I think the reason Flody did not discipline them is because, and it now also the MK members are running around with so much and much Operation Tutula, but the motherboard of the MK has never released a statement, because you'd find that the motherboard of the MK does not support that thing, but they can't say no because they are afraid that if you say no, then people are gonna see which side you're on. So they would rather keep quiet and play dead. The same thing that Flody did, because he thought, okay, let me just keep quiet. Let me say no. Let me not say no. Let me not say yes. Let me just keep quiet, because if you say no, people are gonna get angry. They're gonna say, oh, so you want foreigners here? Same thing that the MK is doing. MK has never, ever, and MK is in KZN. Abantu Baga, these people of March and March, they are struggling and protesting all around. The leadership of MK has not even come once to say, we stand with March and March, we support them. They will never. I dare them to develop a backbone and say we stand with March and March. Never. They will keep quiet and they will let the ground forces do their own thing, go and support March. But the national leadership, they will never say anything. If they can come out and say, hey, we support, cut this finger. But let's get into the Africa Mayibuye story. Let me wear my glasses. So it says here, revolutionary greetings. Oh, the font is so small. Revolutionary greetings. After a long journey building the organization, from the consultation to where it is now, I'm very grateful that I've played my role, the opportunity to serve as the provincial organizer, and later on resigned in my duties as the provincial organizer to remain an ordinary member of the organization. It is sad to inform you that I am resigning with immediate effect as a member of Africa Mayibuye movement. My resignation is based on the Marxist principles and genuine agenda for socialist South African, which is very difficult to achieve that goal if the movement has no clear policies emphasizing on the exploitation of workers by labor brokers, EPWP and ECWP, indirect outsourcing exploitation systems by government, let alone in private sectors exploitation, worsening in particularly in funeral parlors, farm workers, woods and forestry, sawmills, retail, security industry, cleaning services, mining, and automotive industry. Karl Marx stated clear that workers are the producers of wealth, but they are the ones who are exploited. Africa Mayibuye movement has no clear policies for disciplinary procedures when its members are running, I think he wanted to say running loose to participate in Operation Tutula protest during G20 summit wearing Mayibuye regalia. We are internationalists, not conservatism. No nationalists. We embrace all races as one human race, no, not bounded by any boundaries, no by skin color, no linguistic. So Africa is one nation, one people. I'm now joining South African Communist Party. With hope my resignation will find you well. Halal, Azich.